So, let's look at some other things that we live with every day that affect us that we're not typically conscious of. And why don't we use, you got one, okay, good. So first what I want to do is we're going to do the cell phones because we all have one. Have you ever had applied kinesiology? Been a chiropractor, right? Okay, so put the arm out, right? All right, push up, hold. Okay, just test the strength. Let me test the other side. That one's good. Test the other side. Ready? Push up, hold. All right, nice and strong. Now, let's put some frequencies from this device in his field to see if it has any effect. So just hold up to your chest like that. Put the arm up again. All right, now ready? Push up, hold. Okay, so the arm goes down. Now what's that? It's not, we call it a muscle test, but really it's a neurological test. We get disconnected in the brain. It's trying to adjust for the frequencies that have been applied to the body, to the field, and of course the muscle releases. So it's a way for you to begin to see if things affect your body and what affects your body and how. Because if it's no effect or it's good for you, you'll remain strong. And if not, the arm will release. Now, let's go one more time and have you hold this. We'll do this side because I just realized I'm better off on this side because of this gentleman. Let's do this arm. Okay, now he's just holding the pendant with the phone. Ready? Push up, hold. Okay, I'm applying the same or more pressure, correct?
Yes.
All right, no effect. Okay, so we're simply overriding the influence of these frequencies on the body.